the drop off, are you marketing both to commercial and residential, or are you focusing on one or the other in your marketing?
I'll show you exactly how I do it. Let's see here. I'm going to share the screen again. Here's something that you want to really know about inside outs, and that's what's called landing pages. Now, landing pages here, and this is just a homepage of our website, and we've got this slider going on here that shows, hey, this is what our laundromat looks like. Here's a drop-off service that we do, pickup and delivery. We also got commercial services and everything. We got all of that. This would be if somebody just kind of like stumbled on our page of everything that we do here from a Google search, or just typing in our name, DaytonaLaundromat.com. But the ads that I run specifically for drop-off customers, they're going to come to this landing page, and it's going to be looking a lot different here. This is something that maybe we can get into the details of, is that you're selling the benefits before anything else. And the benefit here is we're going to give you back 6 hours of time in your week by you delegating your laundry to us. I'm going to use all sorts of media here. Like this was a video that I'd put together. I'd put together just using stock footage from Pexels, as just to say, hey, look at this here. You have a family for those reasons not to be doing all this laundry here and everything. Kind of showing people why you use us. And then we come in with, here's what we do. Here's how good we are for you. Everything going on about the benefits, get directions, got those call to actions and everything. Those are the kind of ads that I would show a drop-off customer. And I also go through reasons and everything here. Whereas a self-serve customer, I'm going to show them a different kind of ad. Let's see. Do I have one I can show you here? I think I do. Let's see. We go back to, there's one. Because you know who our customer is. Typically, it's the ladies, and it's the mother in the family or something. Or maybe it's college students, or it's someone that just has lots of responsibilities that involve caring for other people. That's really our main customer, is the person with those responsibilities. What do they care about the most? They care about clean. They care about safe. Mm-hmm. They care about having help on hand when they need it, and like help from an actual person, not just a phone number. I honestly think that in a few years, unattended laundromats will be a thing of the past, because people need help. There's just so much that can go wrong. And with competition getting as tight as it is, if I can get help from a person on site as opposed to calling up some phone number where maybe the guy can't help me or not, I'm going with the bet where the guy has the keys to start the machines for me. And that's what I try to advertise in my ads to self-serve customers. I'm not trying to compete on price, because that's just a race to the bottom. What I am competing on is I'm clean because I have someone there to clean the place at all hours of the day. I'm safe because somebody's there in case anything ever got out of hand. And also safe in the sense that if anything went wrong, we'd have somebody there to help you. If the machine stopped working, refund your money, move you to another machine. We do what Waleed Cope calls aggressive customer service, where
that's right.
Customer is unhappy and they're asking for something, just give them what they want. Because it's better to get gypped by a customer or grifted by one to shut them up and lose just a teeny bit of money there, than for them to leave that place very angry to the point where they're going to leave a nasty Google review or something that everybody else will see. So that's kind of like my advertising differences between drop-off and self-serve customers.